It's about onion leeks. So onion is good for salad. Many used to use in a cooking. So in this video I can show you how to use the onion leeks in my cooking or how to plant. So first I will show you how to plant onion leeks. Very simple. So this is the onion. I can plant in two ways and they come out the same. So cut. This used for my cooking now. So I keep it to this plate for my cooking. Yeah. So what we need: glass of with water. Take the onion like that. Keep in like that amount of it, just like that. And about 5 days ready to plant or to stay, or pot with the soil. So this is the first steps, and this is the indirect eggplant like that. Water, of course. Yeah. Yeah. And then in about 1 week, let's see the result. Yes, this is by the direct plant, and they grow. Yeah, and I cut there before, now it's grow. And the other one, came out with root. Now they are ready to transplant in the pots. So I'm using the pot. I'm using the pot. Going to transfer. Yeah, it's a plenty of roots. Yeah, of course, water them. Yeah, so that's the easy way how to plant the onions, and I can show you how to use in my cooking as well. So now add into my cooking. So I'm making a pizza, so with the onion, mushroom, I add my favorite thing there like mozzarella. So that's the onions, and carrot. Yeah, that's the onion. So you can add in any cook you would like. So my pizza is of course with onion leeks and pizza as well at home. Goodbye.